this is my Jbl bar 3.1 and the box. The total height of this box 3 feet 7 inch was totally, and just what is behind the box. That is just behind the box, and that is the left side, and this is just the right side. So now I would like to say you what is printed on over the box. So this is the customer address. This is my name, Sandeep Bashak, and this is the barcode. And this is the barcode, and this is the seal. One is seal here, and one is seal there. And you can notice the seal is the ordinary seal. There are no brand name printed over the seal. There are 2 number seal, and here, and the seal here, and single seal here. Is the hole for holding capacity, and this is the one hole, and there's one more. So there are total 3 number of hole for bagging. Now you can see there is what is printed. Promising voice clarity by dedicated center channel, singing to Jbl surround sound with 450 watt of power, threading bass from a 10-inch or 250 mm wireless subwoofer, and true 4K connectivity with 3 HDMI in and HDMI out, ERC. Wireless music streaming with Bluetooth, and plus 2 works with your TV remote control. And let's see what is printed over the list. So model number Jbl bar 3.1 BLKP, description 3.1 soundbar with wireless subwoofer, quantity 1 unit. Net content, you can, what is inside the box? 1 nong, they are printed inside the box, but this 1 nong subwoofer, 1 nong soundbar, 1 remote control, 2 AAA batteries, 1 nong, 1 unit power adapter, 1 unit power cables, 1 unit optical cables, 1 unit aux cables, and 2 sets wall mount brackets, and 1 nong owner manuals. There's the same thing on this are printed. It is the graphics, and there's the and here is the written, and this is the price, 34,990, and inclusive of all taxes. That is the INR price, Indian rupees currency, August month and year, and import August, country of manufacturer China. So let's see what is graphics printed, what is in the box. As is the soundbar, graphics, the subwoofer, is the remote control, that is the remote control, and this is the graph of HDMI. There is the aux cable, and this is the power adapter. This is the power cable into two, one for subwoofer and one for bar, and this is the mount bracket into two, and there is this is the, I think this is the HDMI, and there is no printed I do not know what is actually inside the box. So our connectivity you can connect it through the aux. This is the ARC, and this is the HDMI. This is the HDMI jack. This is the ARC optical jack, and then this is the audio input aux cable jack. This is the baud dimension, 1018 into 58 into 78 cm. Mm. 440 into 2.3 into 3. Actually, it's inches. 40 inches into 2.3 inches into 3. And subwoofer. And subwoofer 440 into 305 into 305 millimeter. And 16 inch into 12 inch into 12 inch, and height into read, and last one is height into read and height, just height and read, this one. And now it's the same thing, and what is this is a brand name, Jbl HARMAN bar 3.1 channels 4K Ultra HD soundbar with wireless subwoofer. This is I would like to say you that this is the not 4K Ultra HD soundbar. If you use the HDMI cable through the 4K TV or high resolution, very high resolution Blu-ray disc, so you can feel actually really 4K Ultra HD sound quality. So you can this is the Bluetooth enable device, and HDMI. This is the logo of Dolby Digital, Dolby Audio. So the Dolby Audio is trademark, HDMI also trademark, Bluetooth also the trademark logo of particularly of this company. I think this is the wall printed, and this is the same printed which I printed, and this is the Red Dot Award 2017 winner, and the Red Dot is the logo of Red Dot. And you can see all the thing printed over the false. So go ahead. So after a few time I'm unbox this product.